sweet. And pretty weird. I mean that in a good way.
No.
Come on, you're...
No.
Not a teensy?
No.
Weensy?
No.
Itsy bitsy?
9. I'm pretty normal. A fairly average guy. Very typical. With no creative eye.
Who couldn't be lying more?
I'm pretty boring. But all my closest friends are helpless snoring. And so it's common sense. I'm an ordinary gentleman with a passion for being normal. I'm pretty sure.
Well, okay, Shiloh. Think I get your point. Okay, Shiloh. You smoked a joint, you weirdo.
No, I'm slow. I'm a drag. I don't have any fun, and not to brag, but I have never said a pun.
No, none.
Bad habit. Shit. I don't like smiling or dancing. I don't sing or swing. I'm pretty bland.
And
I'm pretty normal.
your heart was made in no special way.
My brain was wrinkled normal.
And in your very DNA, there's no traces of informal.
Hooby-dooby-dooby-do, hooby-dooby-do, hooby-dooby-dooby-do, hooby-dooby-roar! I'm the rotten pumpkin man. I will eat your soul. I'll pluck you out of your cozy bed, and I'll bite right through your soul and roll. I will eat you whole. No, I'm kidding. I'm never that way at all. I'm so vanilla. I don't have any flair. I'm no gorilla. More like a sloth in underwear. So chill.
You're such a buzzkill. You barely ever speak, and you have no skill.
That's worth an ear with a P.
No sense in digging deep for treasure sleeping in that pumpkin soul.
I'm dumb as a shit bowl.
You're pretty normal. He's out of his gourd.
Several million years before dicks were invented, there lived a dick bird who gave his life for his family and his village. When a volcano erupted on their island, he flew in. This was no small feat for the dick bird. No lying down for the dick herd that the dick bird's load. Put out the fire. Booby, 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 ho. Booby, booby, ho. The mountain devoured him. He squawked and he squabbled and he squirreled. But he saved the world. First, he came. Then, he died. Then he shat. Kidding, I'm kidding, I'd never say any of that.
You never weird.
Can even hear that word.
Simple gear.
I'm not a fan of the absurd.
I don't like smiling or dancing.
I don't sing or swing. Don't pull a muscle. Don't push, don't pull. No, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 boring, 2 boring, 3 boring. I'm pretty normal.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
A lady house in the bar.
Hold on. You don't like smiling.
Right. God, I hate to laugh.
You're never wildin'.
Never even half.
Fully normal.
My blood has no pizzazz.
Could not be more dull.
No, I'm the enemy of jazz.
Yours are not improvisational. You're planned by the man you will have lived in.
That's a given. I'm the king of kings.
King of kings.
Of uninteresting things.
You incredible.
Forgettable.
Incredibly bland. Normally boring. Rotten pumpkin face.
Man, rotten pumpkin man.